Well, good afternoon, everyone. Here we are in my backyard on a somewhat windy but nice afternoon here in December. The last video I talked about the duck problem with the coyotes and the ducks I lost and the chickens I lost. And so we've got to come up with a new situation. So I decided, well, I'll just put them in here on this side yard for the winter. But it ain't gonna work. They just make too big a mess. Let's go in here and see what we got. I had to put a temporary fence up here, block this side yard off, because we got a new dog and got him from the pound. Name's Tucker, and Tucker don't like me. Won't have nothing to do with me, even though I rescued him. But I don't know what do you do around ducks, so I had to fence this off. But ducks make a mess. They may be cute and they may do cute things, but they make a mess, and we all know that they will just turn their water into mud in just seconds. They go along here, as you can see in here, and they dig. See little holes they dig with their beaks, or bills, I guess, and they get dirt in their bills, and then they go stick it in the water, and the water don't last 10 minutes. Another thing the ducks do tremendously well is they use the restroom. They go to the bathroom like you won't believe, and they will just saturate a yard with their droppings. I'll show you what they did inside the pen here. Now this is the chicken pen I've got, and I've had it since we moved here, pretty much. And uh-oh, they're going to go in there with me. Anyway, so before they moved in, I brought them, put in fresh hay. You can see there. Doesn't look too bad over here, but boy, you come around the corner and look at this. Look at that. It's just matted down with duck droppings everywhere you go. I mean, you can't even walk in here hardly with your shoes on and without getting a mess on your shoes. Now, that is kind of cute. They did build a nest underneath here, and that's where they lay their eggs. And it's so far down underneath there that I have to use one of these things here to reach in there and get those eggs out in the morning. But so the grand experiment with just keeping them, this is only 8 ducks. See right here, it's just solid. So this ain't gonna work. So I've decided to okay, they're lining up there getting them a drink. I've decided to go ahead and move this fence. I'll show you what I did here. Hopefully this will make a difference. Well, they're talking all the time. Let's show you what I did over here. Get through the fence here. Out of the side yard here into this side of the house. Now, this is what I've done. I went ahead and decided to move everything up closer to the house. Like in other videos, they could get way back in there along those woods. And back in there, I had this electric fence back there, and there's their duck water station back there. And so they were pretty close to the woods. The only thing between them and animals was a electric fence, this kind of fence right here, which is a good electric fence. I mean, it's really nice because it's woven and it keeps everything in. And but my problem, I got so used to nothing happening that during the day I wouldn't turn the electric fence on. And then at night I'd put them into their duck house here and close them up. And so that went along for since what, February, March, 6 months. Everything just fantastic. And then all of a sudden, when I let my guard down and didn't quit turning on that electric fence during the day, I got attacked. So my ducks and chickens got attacked. So what I did was I took the old hoop house I made. It's not really a hoop house. It's made out of fence panels. Now I was sitting back in the back and I drug it up here. And then I brought this fence up and I put in this cattle panel. And then between that cattle panel and it's a couple feet or 2 or 3 feet, and then I put that electric fence up. So hopefully when I move them in here, I'll be running the fence during the day, and electric fence, and hopefully this electric fence would keep a coyote comes up here. He might, if he tries to jump the electric fence, I don't think he'll be able to jump then get over this fence. So hopefully with these 2 fences up, one electric and one cattle panel fence, hopefully that'll keep everything out. I know that'll keep dogs out. Hopefully it'll keep the coyotes out. So I just brought it along here and then just turned it and ran it down this way. As you can see, both of them. And I moved it around. Went completely on around with it. On the front, I don't think I usually have any problems with the front. And then I ended it there by the old chicken tunnel. So I reconstructed the chicken tunnel, and so I'll let my chickens out again there, and they'll run down here, come through their little hole. The ducks probably won't follow them. That way I can keep the ducks out of the chicken house, because you can tell they just make a mess. And I can't even keep any water in there because they'll just make the water muddy. So I've had to, try to water the chickens when the ducks aren't around. So anyway, that's my plan. And then over here at this cattle panel hut that I made and drug over here with my tractor, I think what I'm going to do here is probably maybe enclose it a little bit more. And when I get new chickens, I might start them off in here, and put some nest boxes in here, and some roost places for them to roost, and close it up a little bit to make it a little bit more secure. And because I know we still have raccoons and possums, they may not get by the electric fence, but I know what they'll do is they'll come over and climb up my back fence. It's only 4 feet tall, because I've seen them climb up before, and they'll come into the backyard and then they'll get through here. So I'll have to make this a little bit secure at night, and especially around the bottoms. And anyway, and probably start off my new chickens in this area here, and just let this be their new chickens' new home. And so that's probably what I'll do there. But so now I've got a couple of water things here. They can just put their necks in there and get them a drink. And I'll bring over a couple things so they can get in the water. And so I'm probably going to try to set this up here shortly, where I can go ahead and connect this temporary fence to this gate, and then just run them back in here, or drive them back in here, and they'll be able to go back to their old home. So I'll have to get that set up, and then I'll get back on the camera to get turned on again, and I'll see if we can't do it together. So give me a few minutes, and we'll see if we can't drive them back into their new home. Okay, you can see them over there. They're all Sitting there taking a little nap. I've got the tunnel here ready to go. See if I can get them in. Crazy chickens, they can get there, but uh-oh. She wants some loving there. There you go, baby. There you go. Oh, you don't go over there. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we can herd these ducks. Come on, Doug. Let's go. So we can herd them. Might take a little bit because they don't like doing things that they're not used to. Get on in there. Go ahead. Could get crazy here. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, they beat me. Uh-oh. They're separated. They don't like to get separated. Go that one over there. Come on, get on over there, Goofy. Okay, come on. Come on. Okay, you stay over there then. There you go. Come on. Come on. Okay, we got that bunch in there. So that's 1, 2. There's 6 of them. Got two oddballs over here. Let's see if we can get them in. Come on, chickens. Stay there. Come on. Come on. Come on, guys. You hear your buddies over there? Let's go. Let's go. There they go. Come on, guys. Go. Yes. They're in. Girls. Okay, I can let you out of that the normal way. Okay. There they are. Now, it's going to take them a while to get used to all this. That's one thing about ducks. They don't like new. So anyway, that's done. I'll go over here and turn the fence on. There they go. It'll take them a while. Let's turn the fence on. I left a little path here so I can get in and out without getting shocked. There's the solar box battery with the solar panel there. We just go right there and turn it on. You get a little green light flashing there. That means it's ready to go. You can kind of hear it. Some places where it's grounded out a little bit, you can hear it. And of course I'll have to work on that. But anyway, so there they are. They're in their new place. And hopefully that'll give them more protection with 2 layers of fence there. So we'll have to let the chickens out tomorrow and go down the tunnel. So anyway, so there we are. So y'all have a wonderful day. Well, good morning. It's the next morning from putting the fence up last night, moving the ducks in. I got them in, put them in their house last night. So let's go over here and let the chickens out. Turn on the electric fence. I remember to turn on that electric fence. It's quite a menagerie here, isn't it? Turn around here, I'm sorry about that. And let's turn it on. There it goes. Come over here and let the chickens out. See if they still remember the routine. I don't know. Uh-oh. Come on, girls. Come on out. Come on. Come on. Anybody left? What about that 4th one? She's a little shy. There they go. Everybody's down the old chute here. Come on. I'm going to have to get me some more chickens. Okay, guys, let's go get your feed and let the ducks out. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go over here to the ducks. I usually throw them chickens out a little green out here in the morning. They like it. Gives them a little bit of boost. Okay, the ducks. I was proud of them. They went in their house pretty good last night. See what happens. There they come. They are out. They're going to go straight to the water. They love that water. Let's see when they got any egg production this morning. They remembered how to lay in their house. Oh, look at there. 3, 6, 7. Okay, 7 out of 8 laid. That's pretty good. 3 more over here. So 7 out of 8. Pretty good deal. See if I got enough room in my pockets here. The other day I had to put one in my pocket. It did something and it busted in my pocket. Okay, there they are. They went to the water. They saw me. Now they're going to go out and graze. They'll come back to the water. Boy, that's one thing. I love them some water. Chickens are doing good this morning. Fence is on. And so everything's looking good. Let's see if we can get them over here in the water. Yeah, there they are. They love that water. Oh, they saw me. They're not too happy with me since I moved them the other day. But anyway, so it's all good this morning. Once again, y'all have a Merry Christmas. And maybe I'll be back with you before it's a Happy New Year, but I hope you have a Happy New Year too. Bye-bye.